Hey, it's time for another adventure. We are at White Butte, North Dakota, which is the highest point in North Dakota. One of these little peaks here, somewhere. I think that green one over there. I'm not sure. I don't know. We're going up there. We're just following the trail. I put $5 in the box for access to the land, because this is private land. All right, White Butte, 3,506 feet. Yeah, number 3, baby. Woo! Check this out. Nice 360. Man, did I underestimate how hot and exposed it is out here. There's not a single tree. But man, this wind feels nice. There's a good 15-mile-an-hour breeze going. Oh, gorgeous. All right. Well, it's the high point of North Dakota, 3,506 feet. Doesn't get any higher than that here. I don't know if this comes through on the terrible GoPro microphone, but it's just like a humming of grasshoppers echoing through the hillside. It's awesome. What I found. Wow. I'll take this. Yeah, that was gorgeous up there. High point number 3. I will actually be doing high point number 4 coming up here and later this week. So watch for that. All right, signing out.